Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally back with another video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you aren't new, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, today I just wanted to jump on here to show you guys a quick hairstyle that I usually go to when I really don't want to deal with my hair. And I do have a lot of it, so sometimes I really do get tired of combing and whatnot. And it usually lasts for probably about 3 or 4 days, depends on if I cover it down or not. But I hope you guys like it. I didn't want to talk too long. I just wanted to get into it. Oh, and if you guys are interested in knowing how I got this hair color, you can check out my video. I'm gonna link it at the bottom in the description box so you guys can check that out. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video, shall we, darlings? So guys, let's get into this. I'm gonna be using about 3 hair ties, my spray bottle, and I have my trusty gel, gummy gel, to hold on all of that goodness, and of course a white tooth comb. Just cleaning that off just a little bit. So what you see me doing here, I'm sectioning off my hair from ear to ear because I do have to work in sections because of the thickness of my hair, just so that everything can be, you know, just a little bit laid somewhat. So I'm just sectioning off that, and I'm going to be working with the back section. You see me spraying some water on my roots just to get it a little bit moisturized, and I am not combing through my hair, but I'm just, you know, because that is just too much work, and I am just adding some gel. But don't be like me. If you guys want to comb through your hair, that's fine, but I wasn't having it today. So I'm just gonna brush the gel in, brush, but I didn't use a lot at the back, but I am going to be using a lot to the front. You guys are going to see, and so we're just making sure everything is in there really good, and we're going to put that in a ponytail at the back. Yes, disregard the blue color. I know it's coming off because of the water. So we're going to be working on the front section, and again I'm just detangling the ends of my hair because I really wasn't having that comb pass through my scalp the roots of my hair. So I'm just working the water in, and I'm adding some gel here. You're gonna see me add a generous amount of gel because we need this girl to be laid, like really laid. Okay, so I'm going to be brushing that all the way back, making sure everything is gathered, and you know, we're gonna pull that to the ponytail that we made at the back, and just taking the second hair tie, and we're going to be you know, just getting everything together there. You see me doing the same thing. I'm repeating the same process, and detangling and adding a generous amount of gel to that baby boy. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, I was not holding back on that gel, yo. It needed to go down. It needed to be laid. So I'm gonna just brush that, and look at that. I think that is the only gel that I've ever used, and it has, you know, done wonders, and it actually works for me. So this is by far one of my favorite gels to use. Okay, so I'm just pulling out everything back, make sure everything is laid. I'm gonna add some more gel. Yes, don't worry, my hair needed to be washed anyways, so I'm just gonna lay that down. I'm gonna just keep piling on that gel and brush everything down just to make sure that there aren't any flyaways. Keep everything slick. Yes, sis, yes. And we're just gonna pin up at the back of my hair just to keep it off my neck. I'm gonna take my my scarf. I'm just gonna tie that down just to keep everything neat, so that you know you can have that slayed bomb ass look. Okay guys, so this is my hair, probably about 90% dry. So I'm gonna give you a close up of what it looks like. Yep. Ariel there. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Let me know down in the comments what are your favorite go-to style. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the post notification so you guys can be notified whenever I post a video. So until next time, remember to be safe and be unapologetically you. Bye guys.